Hi everyone. Welcome back to the Raja Freelance channel. If you've ever felt your writing sounds robotic or too formal, or maybe AI written content doesn't feel natural enough, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to write human-like content that sounds clear, friendly, and truly engaging. Plus, I'll share a few simple writing tricks and some helpful AI tools to boost your content without losing your natural voice. Let's jump right in. 1. Start with a conversation, not perfection. Imagine you are talking to one person, not an audience of thousands. Use simple words, short sentences, and a relaxed tone. Human-like content feels natural because it flows like real speech. Example: instead of saying, "Utilize this strategy for effective outcomes," say, "Try this method, it really works." 2. Add emotional connection. People relate to feelings, not just facts. Use words like, "Honestly, here's the truth," "I get it," "Trust me," "Let's try this," etc. These tiny phrases make your writing warmer and more human. 3. Tell mini stories or personal examples. A quick story instantly makes your content feel real. For example, when I first started writing, my articles sounded like textbooks. It took me months to learn how to make them sound like me. Stories build trust, and trust brings engagement. 4. Break big ideas into simple steps. Human writing is clear and easy to digest. Use bullets, small paragraphs, and smooth transitions. 5. Use AI tools, but keep your voice. AI can help you write faster, but you add the personality. Here are a few tools you can use. ChatGPT, for brainstorming ideas and rewriting paragraphs naturally. Jasper AI, for marketing style content with tone control. Canva, for formatting your content into visuals or carousels. SurferSEO, for SEO optimization without keyword stuffing. Automation tools like Zapier, Notion AI, and marketing automation systems to save time. Use these tools for speed, but always review and add your own touch. 6. Add variety in sentence length. Mix short, punchy lines with longer sentences that add explanation and depth. This creates a natural rhythm, just like human speech. 7. Avoid robotic patterns. Replace repeated words. Change sentence structure. Don't start every sentence the same way. This helps you pass AI detection naturally. 8. Read your content out loud. If it sounds stiff or unnatural, rewrite it. Your ears catch mistakes your eyes miss, and that's it. Writing human-like content isn't difficult. It's all about clarity, connection, and a natural flow. Use the right tools, keep your personality, and always write like you speak. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more AI, content writing, and digital marketing tutorials. See you in the next video.